took part in the Estin inspection in spring term. We were a pilot school, so we were one of the first schools to take part in the Estin inspection. There was a big emphasis on the children, and also the Estin inspectors were very apparent around the school through the few days. Different inspectors could walk into your classroom at a different time. They may speak to children about their learning. They may look through their books with them and have a conversation about what they've been learning and what they're learning that day. Everyone was really friendly. Because we'd met them before, we knew who they were going to be. We knew that this inspectors could walk into the classroom at any point. We did what we normally do, but we had visitors in school.
All staff felt it was a positive experience. They felt the inspectorate team knew our school well. They were able to have a real understanding of our school, our own particular context, and the way in which our school works. It remains a robust process. The inspection team were very thorough in gathering the evidence. But alongside that, there was certainly a shift, primarily due to the removal of summative judgments on the school. I think was a brave step forward for Estin, and certainly as a school leader, it changed the dynamics, particularly within the team meeting.
Having a grade can have a real impact on teachers and I think parents as well. I think it's better for our well-being that there's not a final grade. I like the fact that at the end, as a school, we could say, oh, we do that really, really well, but maybe we could work on these areas. I think that it made everybody in our school feel a little bit more comfortable with the process.